Hey all, I'm back again with the unboxing of the Status IEM 2X headphones. They come in this nice little box. I'm not really sure if you can actually see the Status logo there. And the things are right there. That's the only, and that's the product name. There's nothing on this box whatsoever. It's like completely very minimalistic. On the back of the box, you get this little pull thingy. And here we go. Here's the headphones. Now I got these through Massdrop. And at first I thought they were only sung through Massdrop, but apparently now they're sung through the website. And I did get them on Massdrop for a little bit cheaper, around $40. But you can get them on Status Audio website for $49. And let's pull this out. Here's the bag, and I feel something in there. Oh, here's the tips, so if you need bigger tips or smaller tips. Once again, this is the bag, and it's got some kind of weird elastic thingy, so you can actually put right there. And the bag is kind of, I'm not sure what the feel of it is. But here's the headphones. There was a thing that came in with it too. The instruction booklet. These headphones are metal. You could just tell they're metal, and there's absolutely no logo on them. True to Status's previous efforts, that there's no logo on it. The cord seems to be fabric, so it's not plastic or anything like that, so it's probably tangle free since it's fabric. And it's got a little end thingy here, and a little microphone thing here with looks like to be a control. Otherwise, okay, once again, this is the control thing. This is the microphone, and the control seems to have a few buttons on there. And once again, the cord is fabric. And these are very, very small. They're metal, so they're not plastic. And these come in two colors, black, which I have, and gunmetal. So, and I'm a big fan of Status's headphones. I have HD2s and OB1s. In fact, here's the OB1s in comparison. These are very, very big compared to the new headphones. You can see how small they are compared to the OB1s. But it's weird. They're mostly fabric until you get up to here, and there's kind of feels like a rubbery cord, but down here it's all fabric. It's kind of weird, but okay. Alright. Alright, see you later then. That concludes the unboxing of the Status Audio IEM 2Xs. See you there. Bye.